Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video and I really hope you guys enjoy it. It's a little bit different because why not? Change up a few things. So before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe before you do anything else, and hit that bell. And if you're a small YouTuber, don't forget to let me know and I will check out your channel as well. And yeah, so let's just get into it, guys. So as you can see in the title, today we're going to be unboxing 3 boxes. My May Ipsy box, the Walmart subscription box, and the summer Target box. First off, this Target box, the packaging is so cute. I love it. I love the box. It drew me in. So let's just get into it, guys. So I'm going to start off with the Target beauty box. You can hardly ever find these in stores. When I've ordered the few I've gotten, I always order them online. I have the Target Red card, so I get free shipping, and this is only $7. It's a real bang for your buck. So if you're wanting like to check out some of the new products coming to the market, I highly recommend trying out Target. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It comes with a little card. It doesn't like... Oh, I guess it does tell everything that comes in the box. And then it also comes with a little $3 coupon that you can clip and use off of a $15 purchase on cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. So yeah. And then everything comes wrapped in a little tissue, which is, you know, a cute touch. And this month we got 6 products, but I, for some reason, got duplicates of this one. So I'll kind of show you what the inside looks like. You can see all the products there. So this is the exact same, and I appreciate that they wrap the tops with some tape so that way the lid won't fly off. This is the Eva NYC Magic 10-in-1 Primer. It's for your hair. It reduces frizz, strengthens, softens your hair, nourishes, adds shine. Simply spray into damp or dry hair before styling. So I'm actually just going to throw this into my giveaway box because I really don't need 2 of these. And then the next thing we got is this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray. This little pamphlet doesn't like say how much stuff retails, so we got that. And these are all like deluxe sample sizes. This next thing is a dry shampoo. It is by the brand Collab. It's an amazing oil absorption without white residue. I'm excited to try that out. Then the next thing we got is one of these. This is the Biore Charcoal Pore Strips. I love these. I actually bought a big box when I was at Ulta, when the store was actually open, probably like 3 months ago. I bought a big box of these and I've been using them like once a week. So I will for sure enjoy that. And then we got a big foil packet of the Argan Oil. This is a deep repair conditioning mask for your hair. I have tried this out and I love it. I don't know if it was this exact scent. It comes with like a lot in here. You could probably use this at least 3 times. So that is like a big bang for your buck. And then we got this little bitty sample size of the CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion, and it has an SPF of 30, which will be great going into summer. But I love how on the bottle it says SPF of 30, but on the little pamphlet it says SPF of 50. Like, that's a big gap. So yeah, that is everything you got in the Target beauty box. This is the summer edition. You can find there is other options of Target beauty boxes on their website. I just searched beauty box on the Target website and they all come up, and they kind of release new ones each month. So next up, we're going to get into the Walmart beauty box. Now, let me just check and see. I'm not sure how much this one is. So the Walmart beauty box is it ships out for the 4 seasons. So Winter, it says you'll get the box in February. Summer, you'll get the box in July. And spring, you'll get the box in April. And fall, you'll get the box in October. So I'm guessing I might have gotten the spring box since I signed up in like early May. I still can't find out how much the box cost. If I find it, I will put it up on the screen. I can't seem to find it. So when you open it up, it looks like this is what you get. It didn't come with like any cushioning or packaging or anything. So first up, I got a sample size of the Biore Rose Quartz Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. I actually just picked up the full size of this because I got a sample of this sent to me from Influencer and I loved it. And so I picked it up and now I have another sample size. So I'll probably just keep this for travel if I get to go on a vacation or something this fall. So already know I love that. And next we got this from Head and Shoulders. It's a Supreme Nourish and Smooth. Looks like this is just basically, it says this for your scalp and it's a hair conditioner. Okay. So this is like a big size. Oh, it smells so good too. Alright. I'm excited to try that out. I've never really tried anything from Head and Shoulders, so it says it's free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and dyes, and it has argan and jojoba oil in it, so that sounds really nice. And next we got this toothbrush and toothpaste sample from the brand Hello, and I just started seeing this at Walmart, like some little end caps and stuff. Basically, this is an all-natural company. This toothbrush has charcoal infused tapered bristles and it is BPA free toothbrush. It's just like a black toothbrush. And then here's what the toothpaste looks like. This one says it has farm grown mint in it with tea tree and coconut oil. So I'm excited to try these out. I think it sounds really neat. And then we did get a makeup item, so I was excited to see that. This is the NYX hashtag This Is Everything lip oil. And I don't know what shade this is. Oh, Sheer Sky Blue. Here's what the NYX lip oil looks like. It smells really good too, and it looks like it is just going to be kind of like a sheer like lip oil, like gloss type texture. And then we got this little foil packet. It is a says it's from Natural Vitality. It's from the brand Calm. It's a magnesium supplement. It's a raspberry and lemon flavor. It's just like a one-time use. It says on the back to just pour this into a mug and add 2 to 3 ounces of warm water. Let it like fizz up and then stir the drink, and you can add in another cup of warm or cold water. So you get like have this as like almost like a tea or something. So yeah, that was everything I got in the Walmart beauty box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 items in the Walmart beauty box. That does come just quarterly, so that's kind of cool. And I wish it did say like spring or summer edition inside the box. That way I just know, but I don't know. Alright, and then the last thing up, we're gonna undo my Ipsy box for the month of May. When you open it up, here's what my box looks like. I do have some add-ons this month, and I am very frustrated that they put this dumb card in here that did not list any of the products. On the back, it just talks about some of their add-on programs and when to look for the dates, and it just talks about how to like get a glow on the inside, which is kind of dumb, but whatever. So I can't tell you how much anything costs. I don't know what products they sent to me or which ones were my add-ons, so we're just gonna wing it here. But I do kind of remember what I did for add-ons. So I'm going to get started with the first thing I see inside of the box, which is this little palette by Colored Rain. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, or throw it in the giveaway. It's just this little palette. It's like a cool tone purpley color. There's what the shadows look like. They are really pretty, but I really don't go for like cool tone purple looks. I really don't like the color purple. So if I decide to do a purple look, it's going to be like more of a brighter purple. So I kind of think I'm going to pass that on, but I know that was one of the products they picked out and put in the box. And then I got this Gulle-iPhone Skin Glow Duo. Their packaging is just always so cute. They're like a pink shade and then like kind of like a champagne color. They are cream products, so I am excited to try out these cream like highlight blush type situation. And then I got this Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I am kind of interested in using this. I have another Murad product and it is really good. First off, I love the packaging on this. It's like in a pump and it's like really nice plastic, and you just like pump it out and it just is like, it feels super hydrating, and it has some sort of scent. I can't really tell what it is. I feel like it's kind of coconutty with a mixture of like citrus. I don't know. It smells good, so I am actually going to work this into my skincare routine. And then this item I'm super excited about. This was one of the items we got to choose for the month, and this is the Sugar Rush A+ brush set. This is what they look like. They're so cute. They like look like little pencils, and they got like little cute sayings up here on the top. And then the last thing they sent me is this Tarteist lip paint in the shade Get It. And it is a really pretty pinky nude shade. Really excited about this. And I have, I think, one other like lip paint from Tarte, and I enjoy it. And then this is the bag for the month. It's this really cute like ombre color. It has like a yellow on the inside. And then a few of the add-on items I got were these two little Tarte H2O glosses. They're like little minis. This was just like $3 add-ons, so I picked these two. This is like a mauve shade, and then this is like just a warmer tone brown shade. These glosses are really nice. And then another add-on item I picked is this Tarte Jelly Glaze. I did not realize it was going to come in this teeny of a pack, like little bottle. So as you can see, compared to my hand, it is super tiny, and I'm excited to try this out because it is new to the market, and it has like a blush pink tint to it. So I'm excited to try out this little guy. And then the last add-on I picked out was from Purely's. It's the Matcha Green Tea and Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So yeah, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy box for the month of May. I'm really excited about all the products, except for this Colored Rain like purple eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this triple unboxing video. I'm probably going to keep getting the Walmart beauty box. The Target one, you can just, it's not a subscription, so I just picked it up because it looked like a cute box for the summer. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe before you leave my channel. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys! So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.